Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two findings in a patient, a female patient. One is cholelithiasis, multiple gallbladder stones, and the other is a uterine mass fibroid. Now you can see the liver, gallbladder, and a strong accosting shadow is seen underneath the gallbladder stones. There are multiple large gallbladder stones, and you can see the stone shadowing, posterior accosting shadowing. While most people with cholelithiasis have no symptoms at all, a minority of patients with gallstones develop symptoms such as severe abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, and complete blockage of the bile duct that may pose the risk of infection. Cholelithiasis can lead to cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder. Again, you can see the multiple gallbladder stones. Now, the causes of gallstones may form if bile duct contains too much cholesterol, too much bilirubin, and not enough bile salts. You can find some important information in the description of this video, both about the gallbladder stones and the fibroids. Now you are going to see the uterus, and you can see the cervix is dilated, and there is a casting shadow in the cervix, that is a pessary inserted by a lady doctor, a gynecologist, due to the prolapse of uterus. The uterus looks bulky and inflamed. Now you can see a large mass seen in the distal portion of the uterus attached to the anterior wall near the fundus. Again, you can see the large semi-solid to solid mass, round to oval in shape, and has homogeneous echogenicity. Again, you can see the shading in the cervical region, cervix of the uterus, and this is caused by this is a pessary inserted by a gynecologist, which is causing a shadowing. Again, now you can see the uterine mass. Now, many fibroids contain changes in the genes that differ from those in normal uterine muscle cells. Hormones, estrogen and progesterone, two hormones that stimulate development of the uterine lining during each menstrual cycle in preparation for pregnancy, appear to promote the growth of the fibroids. Now, these uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths of the uterus that often appear during childbearing age. Fibroids range in the size from seedling, undetectable by the human eye, to bulky masses that can distort and enlarge the uterus. Fibroids may be single or multiple ones. Now you can see the blood flow in the uterus. Blood flow is seen in the rim region, not in the central region. Now these uterine fibroids are generally harmless and often go away on their own. When symptoms occur, however, untreated fibroids can interfere with the person's quality of life and may lead to complications such as anemia due to the menorrhagia, the heavy menses. Homogeneous hyperechogenic masses in the uterine cavity on ultrasound are highly suggestive of endometrial polyps, but the myometrial echogenicity of the uterine fibroids may vary, and and it may be hypoechogenic, isoechogenic, or hyperechogenic, or mixed, which depends on the size and nature of the fibroid. Now, the fibroids are abnormal growths that develop in or on the uterus. These tumors may become quite large and cause severe abdominal pain and heavy periods. In some cases, they cause no sign or symptoms at all. These fibroids are typically benign or non-cancerous. The causes of fibroid is unknown. The cause of fibroid is unknown. Fibroids are also known by the following names, like multiple names: leiomyomas, myomas, uterine myomas, fibromas. According to some researchers, about 80% of the women may have a fibroid by the age of 50. However, most women do not have any symptoms and may never know they have fibroids. Now, again, you can see the multiple stones. Almost whole of the gallbladder length is filled by these multiple large stones, and the fibroid is also a large fibroid. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.